Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidezen. And today I will show you some simple steps and one of the best Android secret trick and the navigation bar customization. How you can customize the navigation bar and how you can add internet on the at the bottom of your mobile and on your navigation. It's very simple, but before learning these simple steps, I request just do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, you need to download one of the best application if you want to add internet on the navigation bar in your Samsung mobile. You need to just download this application, which name is Good Luck. After downloading this one from the Google Play Store and App Store, then you need to just choose the first option. For example, here I want to go. You need to install the second one, name bar. Conveniently organize the navigation bar and gesture mode. After installing and downloading this one, you can easily add internet on the navigation bar. Here and from here and from plugins, you just need to click on the second one, nav star. Conveniently organize the navigation bar and gesture mode. You just need to install this one. After installing and downloading navstar, you need to go new configurations and go a little down, and you need to choose this one where internet is available. For example, here I want to add internet on my navigation bar. You just need to choose the second last one or the top of second last one. Okay, then you need to go a little back, and you can see here the internet is successfully enabled on your navigation bar. I hope this short video is helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye, best of luck.